come through eyebrow. Oh my god. This is gonna be a tutorial on how I grew my eyebrows. So I don't go and get my eyebrows done anymore because they jacked me up in the past and it took me a long time to get my eyebrows like this. This is with nothing on it, no makeup, no brow pencil, no tint, no nothing. This is just straight eyebrow. I have an eyebrow brush. It comes with a comb and a brush. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna get my tweezers, which I use this, and I use a pointed tweezer to get all up in here. If this can't get it, I have my eyebrow scissor just to trim my eyebrows. Alright. I have my alcohol to clean my eyebrow and my skin. I have my eyebrow tints. I have dark brown and I have black. I usually mix them. And I have the developer for my tints. This is the brand, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but this is the brand that I use. I've been using it for years. And I have my wax strips. I have my wax right here. I have it in the warmer. I have it pretty much warmed up already, ready for me. So first things first, I am going to take a cotton swab or a little piece of cotton, the alcohol. I clean my eyebrows. You just want a clean brow. And then I brush my brows. Brush everything in the way it grows. Right. So we are going to go in. So you see these little hairs that's grown out? We are going to trim those off. You don't go too close, but you want to get, you just want to trim it so everything is nice and neat. Right? Then I turn it the opposite way and make sure everything is intact. Like I said, you don't want to overdo it, but you just want to clean it up. You don't want to cut off too much because it will always grow back, but it's better safe than sorry, you know? See, this way I go the opposite way, but this is my left eye with my right hand. I'm not left-handed. If I was left-handed, then I would have been going this way. But I just go this way with my eyebrow because I am scared to go the opposite way because I've done it before. And I took off too much of my eyebrow. So if you're not talented enough to use both hands, I stick with one hand and just go along your eyebrow, you know? Another thing that will help is using the brush to brush up whatever that's out of place, you know? Sometimes I can't get it as good as this side. So this is why I'm telling you guys, just take your time, use your brush. Don't do this in a rush because you can easily mess up. Eyebrows is never going to be sisters. That's one thing I learned in life. They're going to be like cousins. They're never going to be twin sisters. They could be sisters because, you know, some sisters don't look exactly alike, but they're similar. But they ain't never going to be twin sis. That's one thing. We're going on to the next step. We are going to go and start the waxing process. So this is the first step to the waxing. So this is the popsicle stick that I have that I use to wax my eyebrows. But what I do is to make my life easier, and it's just better when it's on an angle. I use a scissor. I cut it into a triangle or to a point. So for instance, when you are applying, it's easier to glide on versus this side. It's just like, you know, all over the place. You can still do it this way because I've done it that way, but I just noticed when I make it into an angular shape, it's easier to follow the eyebrow. Alright, so this is the wax that I have on my stick. I don't know if you can see, but it's not a lot, a little bit. And this is the sensitive skin soft wax. Alright, So you see here, I just follow my eyebrow and I drag. Right? I don't go too close to my eyebrow because you don't want to take off too much. So what I do, I go as close to the eyebrow as possible without actually going on the eyebrow. So pretty much like I said, I'm going to do a light cleanup because we don't want to go in and take off too much. Alright, so you see how I have the wax? I just have it lightly close to the eyebrow. This is just a cleanup around it. Alright, so now we have our wax strips. We are going to place it on top. Rub, 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 rub. We're going to hold our skin this way. Right? And we're going to rip opposite way. So the hair grows this way, you're going to rip this way, if that makes sense. Same thing again. You hold your skin tight and you rip it. Alright?
Alright, y'all, so you're just gonna continue the same method I was saying earlier. You put the wax on and then you rip opposite way and you clean your eyebrows with the alcohol and the swab, and you continue the same thing at the bottom as well. You just follow your eyebrow, don't go too deep in, you know. You just want to clean up the little hairs. You place the wax strip and then you rip the opposite direction. And you're going to clean off again and then do the same thing for the middle part. I have a unibrow, so I have to definitely get in the middle part there and do the same thing we discussed and repeat on the opposite side.
We're going to take our tweezers, hold the small little hairs. I got majority of them out. Alright. Now is the tinting time. So I'm going to mix a little bit of my dark brown with my black, because you don't want to just have black eyebrows, because there's going to be, you want them dark but not black, because black is just a little harsh. So I mix the black and the dark brown together. So I use literally just that 2 dots, boom, and then I put 1 drop of my developer from my eyebrow tint, boom, just like that. Take my little eyebrow brush, I clean it off from any previous use that I had before with the same cotton swab, boom, 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 clean it off, clean off my fingers too. Alright, this angle brush, I mix them together. Alright. You want to make sure you mix it properly, everything is mixed together. Now, you mix it in, then you put some on your brush. And now you draw in your eyebrow. Or you just trace your eyebrow, you don't even draw it in. Trace your eyebrow with it. And you can overdraw your eyebrows too, like say that this corner part is a little thin, right? So what I do is I take a little bit of this and I overdraw that bottom part, because not too much now, you don't want to draw a whole new eyebrow on, but I overdraw like the ends so that they're not as thin or appear as thin. You see? And now I just go in with the brush and fill. The top part, like I said, you could trim.
So we're just going to continue filling in the brows, lightly filling them in. And then the same thing you see I'm doing to my first brow, I'm going to do to the second brow. Same exact steps.
I just take a napkin, I fold it, or a piece of paper towel, just to clean it up. Alright. You can do it again. Fold the corner. use the corner of your paper towel or napkin, or if you have a cotton swab, which would be easier, you just use it to clean it up. Alright. Yeah. So there you have it. You put the tint on like so, you clean up, and then you just let them sit. The longer you let them sit is the darker they will be. But I like my eyebrows dark, but not like jet black, because it lasts longer. So I let mine sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I will be back with the finished result. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is the finished result of me grooming my eyebrows. This is after I waxed, trimmed, and tinted them. Now come on y'all. Come on y'all. No, let me fix up myself. Let me fix up myself. Good up, good up. Come on y'all. Come through eyebrow. Come through eyebrow. Oh my God. Alright y'all, I'm done. That's it, I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching, because I slayed my eyebrows today. And this image envy out. Love y'all. See you till next time.